Alright guys and gals, Crypto Kurt here with another video, and today instead of talking about investing in cryptos, we're actually going to talk about investing in your career as a blockchain consultant. Now, I just did a video about the Advanced Diploma of Applied Blockchain, for which I am the second person in the world to have completed that course, and that course is the first accredited blockchain training course in the world, which has been accredited by a government body. But we realize that not everyone has can commit to a 12 to 18 month program. Not everyone can come to Australia. Having said that, the diploma can be delivered online. But let's get around to this course. So this is a short video talking about the Applied Blockchain Intensive Short Course. And the concept here is to future-proof your career and transform your industry. And as we look forward, potentially 1/3 of all jobs worldwide will be transformed by blockchain solutions in the next 10 years. That means that there's going to be a lot of jobs created and a lot of jobs destroyed. So you want to take control of your career today. Right now is the time to invest in yourself and upskill for the future. So let's take a quick look at what is included in the course. So the concept here is what we've done is there's in the advanced diploma, there's 6 core units. And what we've done is we've broken out the 6 core units in this 6-week course, and we're doing a 1-hour intensive view at 1 or 2 of the topics which are delivered in the complete unit, which is in the diploma. So what we basically have is we have some pre-recorded videos that talk to you or teach you about applied blockchain terminology and concepts. These are built and geared towards people that have no experience in blockchain whatsoever. So it really is kind of a newbie's intro. So you got 2 hours of training there. That's pre-recorded training that you get access to as soon as you purchase the course. The next series of courses that we look at is we look at creating a blockchain business model. We look at functional and non-functional requirements and how to scope those. We spend an hour talking about smart contracts, and I go through some examples of how smart contracts are being used in the real world today. We then spend some time looking at understanding how a blockchain framework operation strategy could be implemented. And then lastly, we actually conduct an interoperability framework analysis to see, how are we going to make this blockchain solution plug into the existing IT in an existing organization. So what you can do is you can put in your name, email, and mobile number here. It obviously defaults to Australia because we are in Australia. You can use this drop down to change your country and then put in your mobile address. This simply puts you into our CRM, into our system, and allows me to, either myself or one of our agents, to contact you and just feel you out and see if you're interested in the course. Again, as soon as you purchase the course, you get access to the first 2 pre-recorded hours. And then the other courses are delivered on a public schedule scenario. And we won't talk about dates because who knows when you'll actually watch this video, but you'll be provided with a start date, and then there'll be 5 consecutive 1-hour sessions on a weekly basis. So again, you'll have access to the first 2 modules as soon as you pay, and then the other modules you'll be assigned as you actually attend them in a public schedule. So if you look at some of the benefits or some of the things you get out of the course, a lot of people ask us, is the course technical? Do I need to know how to code? The answer is no. We are not teaching coding in this course. So this course is not teaching you how to trade cryptos or trade Bitcoin, and it is not teaching you anything about coding. It is actually teaching you how to be a high-level consultant to manage an implementation of a blockchain, an applied blockchain solution. What is the delivery course method and what is the course duration? So I mentioned before, the course basically includes 2 hours of self-study video content and then 5 by 1 hour live virtual instructor-led sessions. You're going to spend probably about 10 hours of self-study to learn and research the topics. We are providing a certification if you do present and submit all of the documentation that's assigned to you in each of the modules. And oh, by the way, the documentation that you're going to be completing is actually included in the advanced diploma. So it's almost like you're doing some of the actual coursework that you would be doing if you were doing the actual advanced diploma. So if you take this course kind of as an intro and then decide to upgrade to the diploma, you'll already have 1 deliverable completed for each of the 6 core units. And then we're going to provide you with a certificate of completion which will basically be a blockchain collective certification. We're also providing email support for the deliverable submissions. So again, if you're going to submit the documentation, you can send it to me as a test, and we can have a quick review, send it back to you with any suggestions, and then you would submit it for final review. Who are the instructors? Well, I'm actually going to be the instructor for this one. And as I mentioned, I am the second person in the world to have completed the advanced diploma in applied blockchain, and really excited to get this course out there. Another question we get asked a lot is, what is the cost for the course? The 6-week instructor-led intensive short course is only $1,897. Now that's $1,897 Australian. So again, if you are watching this and you're in America or Europe and you're using the euro or the US dollar, you're going to get a really nice benefit on the exchange rate. So you're not going to pay anything near this. I'm also going to provide you with a discount code in the description of this video. And if you put in the discount code, you'll actually get 11% discount. Now, why not 9% or why 10%? Why 11%? Well, it's because I'm a huge Spinal Tap fan. So for those of you who are familiar with that wonderful movie, we're taking it all the way to 11 on this one and giving you a full 11% off. Another thing to be aware of is, you think about what industries are going to be looking to use blockchain in the future. And so when we talk about blockchain and we talk about distributed ledger technology, it can be used across a wide range of industries. I mean, we have fintech, we have supply chain, we have finance, agriculture, healthcare, governments, entertainment, real estate, travel, e-commerce, insurance, legal, digital identity, and many more. So the reality is, if you have experience in any of these industries, you could theoretically become a blockchain consultant and work with your partners in those industries and, again, start a new career working with blockchain implementations in these business niches. So again, I'll leave a link in the description box, which will bring you to this page. And again, if you just put in your first name, your email, and your mobile number, you'll get into our system. And that will allow you to click through and either pay for the course, or if you have any questions, you can post questions and we can answer those for you as well. And because we'll be hosting this video on YouTube, obviously you can also reply via the comment section in the live video. All right, so that's a quick overview of the Applied Blockchain Intensive Short Course. Again, I'll be the instructor when we start this next course, so if you're excited about getting and learning more about blockchain and how you potentially could actually change your career and become a blockchain consultant, this is a great course. I also think it's a great course for anybody who's actually thinking about starting a blockchain project, whether that's launching a crypto or any kind of course which is related to that industry. Because what you'll learn and what you'll produce as you go through the course will put you in good stead when you are pitching for money, for investor money, VC money, whatever. Because again, if you can approach investors with the knowledge of, I don't just have a great idea, but I've actually scoped this out, and I can show you this documentation which stands behind my business model and my idea. Again, it goes a long way towards putting you way ahead of the game when you're looking at competitors who haven't done this extra coursework. So once again, Crypto Kurt helping you transform your career and maybe even transform the world by using applied blockchain. Crypto Kurt out.